Easy way to see if two columns are one-to-one in Pandas. Working with data in Python 3+ with Pandas, it seems like there should be an easy way to check if two columns have a one-to-one relationship, regardless of column type, but I'm struggling to think of the best way to do this. Example of expected output. A and B are one-to-one, true. A and C are one-to-one, false. B and C are one-to-one, false.
Well, you can create your own function to check it. In case your data is more like this. Then you can use
one way to solve this. Output. To check column by column.
Should work fine if you want a true or false answer. A nice way to visualize the relationship between two columns with discrete/categorical values, in case you are using Jupyter Notebook, is this matrix will tell you the correspondence between the column values in the two columns. In case of a one-to-one relationship, there will be only one non-zero value per row in the matrix.
Here is my solution, only 2 or 3 lines of codes, to check for any number of columns to see whether they are one-to-one match. Duplicated matches are allowed, see the example below. Let's make it a function and add some docs. By using this function, you can do the one-to-one match check.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.